robots are not just physical machines. AI-driven bots are working on computers too. Companies now use robotic process automation, RPA, to handle repetitive tasks like data entry, email responses, and even coding. Yes, robots are now learning to code. Imagine a world where AI and humans work side by side. Interacting with us to working like us, robots are becoming a huge part of our lives. Do you think robots will completely replace human jobs? Or will they make our lives easier? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic content.